I still remember the day when my roommate came to pick me up on the railway station, and all I could think was, ये तो इसको करना ही चाहिए था, ये मेरी roommate है, इतना तो ये कर ही सकती है. And I realized that I have forgotten how to receive love. I have forgotten how to remind me that I've loved. This is Paul Rathore, and today we are going to discuss about how Instagram has changed the way we receive love and how we think of love languages and how we think we receive love, and how we always keep on thinking that I'm not loved enough or I'm not worth of love, etc. So let's get to it. When I was a little younger, like in my school, I used to think that छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में खुशियाँ ढूंढना is very important, and even the littlest thing that people used to do for me would bring me happiness. Like अगर किसी ने मेरी bottle भर दी, that would be, you know, the happiest moment of my life sometimes. And agar I'm sick and somebody just brings me medicine, or somebody tells me that you should go see a doctor, and I was like, oh damn, this is my best friend, I love that person, this person is all for me, वैसा. And of course that is not completely right or wrong, of course, but at the same point I was happy, I was feeling loved, getting the love that I know I deserved. I was not reflecting love, but I was accepting the love that people were showering on me. And we have forgotten all of that. Cut to this day, like few days ago, when anything that a person does for me was just put into categories of bare minimum or princess treatment. I had just forgotten how to receive love. Anything that a person does for me, even the biggest of gestures, like receiving gifts, was like, अरे मेरा birthday है, gift तो receive करना बनता ही है, it's my birthday. It's normal on a birthday, like everyone gives gifts on their birthday, so what's so good about that? But that person doesn't need to give you that gift. That person has chosen to give you the gift. That person has chosen to do something for you. Except for your parents, nobody is obligated to give you anything. Not even your brother, not even your sister, not even your friends, not even your boyfriend, not even your girlfriend. Nobody is obligated to give you anything. You're not entitled to anything. Everything that a person does for you is because they love you, because they like you, because they want to do that for you, because they choose to do that for you. And you need to take it as that way, because it's when you keep expecting a lot of people, and when they do it, you just put it in a basket. अरे ये तो bare minimum है, ये तो इसको करना ही चाहिए. If I need someone and I call them and they pick up and they are there for me, it's like bare minimum hai. If I need someone, someone has to be there for me. And like, no, they don't have to be there for you. They have their own life, they have their own struggles, they have their own problems to deal with, and they don't have to be there for you, but they are choosing to be there for you because they love you. Yes, because they love you, that they have chosen to be with you, that they have chosen to be there for you. Yes, and you need to feel that love. You need to know that there are people who are doing the littlest of things for you, like opening doors for you, maybe tying your shoelace. Everything are the small things that makes you feel loved. And if we just keep putting them into baskets of bare minimum or putting them into baskets of princess treatment, that every small things that were making us feel loved would just change into some actions that they're supposed to do, and then we'll just stop feeling loved. Do we ever want to feel that we are not loved? No, we don't want to feel that. We always want to feel happy, and feeling loved makes you happy, right? So why would you want to not feel that? Why would you not want to feel that love? So just keep in mind that do not confuse entitlement with connection. Do not confuse authentic gestures with aesthetic gestures. कि अगर उसने मुझे ये certain gift नहीं दिया and ये कुछ गिफ्ट दिया है, that doesn't mean anything. वो तुमको कुछ गिफ्ट नहीं देता तो भी उसका कुछ बिगड़ने नहीं वाला था. You haven't signed a contract that this person is supposed to give you this things. No babe, no. That person is giving you because he or she loves you, because he or she wants to give you that, because he or she wants to see you happy. That's the reason. Because some of the things, like if you wanted to, he would, bare minimum versus princess treatment, and don't settle for less, all of those things. Of course, somewhere down the line, it's true. You do not settle for anything less than what you want. But what do you want? Do you not want something or someone who stands by you? Or is it just bare minimum for you? What is bare minimum? What's the definition of it? And what are the things that you think is bare minimum, but the other person actually does it out of love? Even the bare minimum things are done out of love. It's a way of saying I love you. And that's when you need to decide that these are the things that are very, very, very necessary to me, like not disrespecting me or not saying bullshit things about my family or me, anything. These are some of the things are like the border, like you cannot go below that. Some of the things that people do just to make you feel happy shouldn't be just termed as bare minimum. It's done out of love, and you need to see it. And when you start seeing it, you'll know that you are loved. When you'll see the small things that you do for yourself, you'll know that you are loved. When you see the small things that people do for you, you'll know that you are loved. And it comes off as लिटिल सेटलिंग लेस, मेरे बंदे ने तो ये किया था, मेरी फ्रेंड तो ऐसा करती है, मेरी फ्रेंड तो वैसा करती है। किसी को कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। Everybody has their own struggles, everybody has their own problems, and if they are putting their problems aside just to be with you, just to be there for you, then that is love. That is love. How can it be bare minimum? I don't understand that. It has been a few days that I've understood it, and from the day, everything that my mom tells me, everything good that my father tells me, everything good that my friends, even if my friend picks up my call, I'm so happy. I just feel so loved that these are my friends. They're picking up my call. They have their own schedules, they have their own weekends, they have their own classes, they have their own problems, but they still chose to pick up my call. Not because I am entitled to it, not because they are supposed to pick up my call, not because they have signed a contract with me, but because they want to, because they have chosen to pick up my call. And that's when I started feeling so loved, started feeling so happy that I am loved. I have people who care about me. I have myself. I do so many things for myself and I just ignore that. I choose to eat right food. I choose to sleep on time. That's love. Yeah. Don't take it as something bare minimum. And when you stop labeling things, when you stop labeling people, when you stop labeling efforts, you'll know that you love yourself, people love you, and this video might just be a sign for you to soften a little bit, stop putting labels on things, and start loving yourself and start feeling loved and thinking that you deserve love, because you really do. You really do deserve love. Okay? Yeah. So that's it for this video, and I have yapped for a lot of time now. Yeah, and if you like to listen to my yapping and my stories and everything, please subscribe to my channel and like, share, even if this helped you a little bit and you think that some person will need this, send it to them and share this video as much as possible. Thank you so much for your support. Bye.